Hi guys, I hope you have seen what has happened about the prediction we had made about how the market was going to react. So I want to introduce something else. These strategies, or you can find one that suits you. It's about you looking for the one that is perfect for you. So I'm going to introduce something else. I don't know where to start from. First, we can go to Fibs. I want you to look at my settings. I really hope they are visible. They are well. Okay, I can scroll. Since I'm not able to, I hope you can see. The extension is negative 0.27 and negative 0.618. So you start with 0, you skip, you go to 0.382, and then the other one is 0.5, and then the other one is 0.618, and the other one is 0.786, and then we go to 1. The extensions, we have already said, here they are. So hope you have set your fibs like that. So the next thing we are going to look at is we're going to have an EMA, moving average, and we are going to have an SMA. Until there we are okay. For the EMA, we are going to set it at 8. Okay. For the SMA, we are going to set it at 21, and we are going to change the color of SMA to red. You can use this one on any time frame, but I'm using it in 1 hour. I'm using it in 1 hour, and I actually want to show what is currently happening in the market. So what do we do? First, I hope you know what a break of structure is. So the market is coming down. It's coming down, and then we have market that is going up. So this is what originally the market was coming down. It was coming down, forming higher low. So what happened is, at this point we formed a higher high, breaking this structure. So at this point we had a break of structure, right? When we have this break of structure, what we're supposed to do is get our fib, place our fib at this point. Place our fib at this point. You see what has happened. The market came to a discount level and we pumped. So we are waiting for the market to react from any of this level. Most people take as 0.618 as the OTE, others wait for it at this point. This is the last point of retracement. So any of this level, from me, I don't enter early. I think from 0.05, I'll wait for it at this point. Because and also at this point, because these levels, plus I'll also look at the direction of the market, and I want something else there. I just don't look at the fib alone. I have to have other confluences, and the EMA should also be speaking the same language. So this is what we do. We have a break of structure. This move that broke structure, that is what we are fibbing, and we want it to return to our zone so that we can buy. I think we are okay. Are we okay? Hi, I'm really hoping we are okay. Something else, let's do again. Let's do it again. the market was going up. Sorry. The market was going up. So this is a break of structure coming down. So where do we fib? We take our fib and fib this area from this point to this point. We want the market to react from any point here. And the moment the market pulls back, this is our discount zone. Any of these levels are our discount, and we are waiting for from here we are waiting to look for sales. Since we had a break of structure coming down, we fibbed this our discount zone. Most people use this zone. You see this zone as the discount, so they are waiting for the market to react from any point at this point. Here, this is the last point of retracement. Beyond this point is a reversal, but we are allowed to retrace from any area in this place. So that is it. I hope you're okay. Now let's see what happens, what is happening currently where we are, the current market price, right? So at this point, can you take this as a break of structure really? Yes, we can take it as a break of structure since we have a candle close above this, do we? This was our last point. I didn't hope I'm doing that. This was our last point, and you see there is a candle close above. So we can actually take that and say, this is what we do. This is the origin of that move, this point to this point. Sorry. So this was the origin of our move. It originated from this point. So from this point to this point. So we were expecting the market to retrace to any point, but it should not go below this point. What do you think? Our EMAs are also confirming that is where we are. We're supposed to buy from. So you see how it's working in confluence. We broke structure, we came back. This zone we should not close below, which we did not close below. This is the last line of retracement, and we went up. So that is what is happening right now. You see how it works. The EMA are holding the market so well. I hope we have a chance for another one. Here we have a break of structure. The market is already below the 21 EMA and the 8 EMA. So we are waiting for a pullback. So this is what we do. This was our OTE. You see the market retraced to this point, touched this point, and we fell. I hope you can all see that. So can I repeat? Okay, let me repeat. We have a break of structure, and I've just fibbed this zone. The leg. The pullback happened at 0. The OTE, which is here, 0.618 and 0.5. At that point, we sold. Up to there, we are in agreement, right? So it's as easy as that. We're just looking for break of structure, and we are looking at this one is the one that caused this break of structure. So which one was the last move? Here, I'll take this one. Sorry. This one is the one. We see like we are closing above this point, so this one is not a legit one. We need to look where it's also filling. This one also, so a good one. We need to see the retracement of this, cause the break of structure. So we flip this. So this was the last point for retracement, and guess what happened? We broke above. So above this point, I don't recommend you taking. If we have a candle close above this point, then we are not waiting for that. Market is not big, is not bearish anymore. So we have this one, this point. Let's see. I don't think I have more time. Let's see. Here we also had a candle close above this point, so I'm not considering this one. So that's it. That's how that strategy works. Want me to check this one too? Maybe, hope we have some time. Here we go. This one is good. This one is good. This one is a good pullback. Then we sold. So you can experiment with it. You also have this one, broke structure. You can see where it retraced to. This is the height went. We see we don't close below this point and we pump. So that's it. You can experiment with it and see how it goes.